Nandito ako sa Tugigaraw. Maghahanap tayo ng burger. Kasi kung sa Maynila sikat yung Angel's Burger, dito may sikat. Kahit saan na gilid meron siya.
Menu looking like a treasure, I'm ready to devour. No time for leisure, no time for leisure. Bring me the finest flavors on my plate. No time for leisure, make me find this flame for leisure. Bring me the finest flavors on my plate. Nothing can beat this food that's so great. From appetizers to desserts, every taste sensation in this restaurant. Food is pure elation, savoring every bite, culinary delight in this dining paradise, and everything's just right. Everything's just right. Look at the spices, color so vibrant.
So ayan, titikman na natin itong
Every dish so
Frank Burger. Yan, dito yan sa Tugigaraw. Kasi sa Maynila, sikat to ng Angels eh. Pero nag-take out na tayo kasi maulan. Kainin na lang natin sa loob ng van. Ito.
I explore the menu, flavors so diverse. Each bite a story, every taste a universe. From savory
Angel's Burger din ang lasa.
to the trance. In this restaurant, every dish is a chance. Chef's creation, every dish is a chance.
Mayonnaise, ketchup lang muna dito.
In this kitchen, they pour their heart. Flavors on my plate, nothing
Kaya
can
pala marami ditong pwesto. Masarap din pala.
from appetizers to desserts.
Frank Burger.
Sensation in this restaurant.
Dito sa Tugigaraw.
Pure elation,